Today I'll show you how Apple Notes connects directly to Apple Reminders, so you can turn your notes into actionable tasks in just a few taps. It's a great way to keep everything connected and organized. Let's start in the Apple Notes app. I have a note open here, and I want to turn it into a reminder. Tap the share icon at the top of your notes. From the sharing options, choose Reminders. When you do this, Apple Reminders asks which list you'd like to save your task to. You can pick any from your existing lists. The title of your notebook becomes the task title. Apple Reminders also pulls in some text from your notes and adds a link back to the original note. You may see suggestions for multiple tasks based on your notes. At the moment, the suggestions don't always match the notes perfectly. They're more like interpretations, so they might not always be useful. Before saving, you can edit the details of your task. Tap the inspection icon to add a date, time, priority, flag, or notes. The only thing missing is the option to add subtasks. When you're happy with everything, tap the tick icon to create your task. And now, let's check it out in Apple Reminders. And here it is. Notice the link. It takes you straight back to the original note with a single tap. If your notes contain images, those images are also carried over into the reminder. Here's an example. This picture is now part of the task. One limitation to keep in mind: this only works with typed notes. If you're working with handwritten notes, the reminders option won't appear in the share menu.